Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Valleyview North is a residential neighborhood located within the growing city of Dieppe, next to the Greater Moncton region in southeastern New Brunswick. The neighborhood is part of the modern suburban expansion that has transformed Dieppe into one of the fastest growing cities in Atlantic Canada. Valleyview North contains residential streets, parks, schools, and nearby commercial areas that support a growing population of families and professionals. The development of Valleyview North reflects the rapid growth that Dieppe experienced during the late 20th and early 21st centuries. As the Greater Moncton area expanded, new housing developments spread into formerly rural land surrounding the city. Improved road systems, modern infrastructure, and growing employment opportunities helped encourage residential construction throughout Dieppe and nearby communities. Dieppe itself has deep Acadian roots that continue to shape the surrounding neighborhoods today. Acadian settlers first established communities in the region during the 18th century before the deportation of the Acadians in 1755. After many Acadian families returned to southeastern New Brunswick, farming communities gradually redeveloped throughout the region. Over time, Dieppe evolved from a rural community into a major suburban city connected closely to Moncton. Valleyview North benefits from its location near several major transportation routes. Residents have quick access to shopping districts, schools, healthcare facilities, restaurants, and business centers throughout the Greater Moncton region. Nearby highways and arterial roads connect the neighborhood to downtown Moncton, the Greater Moncton Romeo LeBlanc International Airport, and surrounding communities across southeastern New Brunswick. The neighborhood also contains green spaces and recreational facilities that support outdoor activities throughout the year. Parks, walking trails, playgrounds, and sports facilities are common throughout Dieppe and nearby suburban communities. Seasonal activities remain an important part of life in New Brunswick, with residents enjoying both summer recreation and winter sports across the region. Like much of Dieppe, Valleyview North reflects the strong bilingual culture of southeastern New Brunswick. French remains widely spoken throughout the city, and Dieppe is recognized as one of the largest, predominantly French-speaking cities outside Quebec. English and French are both commonly used in schools, businesses, and public life, reflecting the region's Acadian heritage and cultural identity. Dieppe has a population of more than 30,000 people and continues to grow rapidly each year. The city forms part of the Greater Moncton metropolitan area, which includes Moncton and Riverview. Dieppe officially became a town in 1952 and later achieved city status in 2003 as its population and economy expanded. The name Dieppe honors Canadian soldiers who participated in the Dieppe raid during the Second World War in 1942. This military operation, which took place in Dieppe, France, resulted in heavy casualties for Canadian forces and remains one of the most remembered events in Canadian military history. The naming of the community reflects an important connection between local identity and national history. Thanks for watching!